Ever feel stuck in a rut, staring at a blank page or a seemingly impossible problem? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to generate fresh ideas and find innovative solutions. But what if you could unlock your inner genius and become a master problem solver? Welcome to Self-Craft Mastery, your guide to crafting your route to excellence. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolbox of strategies to approach problems from fresh perspectives and generate innovative solutions. Stay tuned until the end, as we'll dive deep into each technique and provide practical examples to help you master creative thinking. So, let's get started. Number 1, Mind Mapping. Imagine a young entrepreneur, Sarah, who's struggling to come up with a unique marketing strategy for her new product. She's tried traditional methods, but nothing seems to click. That's when she discovers the power of mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual technique that allows you to organize your thoughts and ideas in a nonlinear way. By creating a central node and branching out into related concepts, you can uncover new connections and spark creative insights. Sarah starts by writing her product name in the center of a blank page. She then branches out into different aspects like target audience, unique selling points, and marketing channels. As she explores each branch, new ideas start to emerge, and she begins to see her product from different angles. Now, whenever she faces a creative thinking challenge, she simply tells herself, "I am a master of connections and ideas flow effortlessly through me." Number 2, Reframing. Meet Alex, a software developer who's been tasked with creating a user-friendly interface for a complex application. He's been approaching the problem from a technical standpoint, but he's struggling to find a solution that resonates with the end users. That's when he learns about reframing, a technique that encourages you to look at a problem from a different perspective or angle. Alex decides to step into the shoes of a non-technical user and reframes the problem from their point of view. He starts to consider factors like intuitive design, clear instructions, and user experience. By reframing the problem, Alex gains a fresh perspective and is able to develop an interface that meets the needs of both technical and non-technical users. He reminds himself, "I am a pioneer of new perspectives, and solutions come easily to me." Number 3, Lateral Thinking. Meet Emily, a marketing executive who's been tasked with developing a campaign for a new eco-friendly product line. She's been following traditional marketing strategies, but she's struggling to come up with something truly innovative and attention-grabbing. That's when she discovers lateral thinking, a technique that encourages you to approach problems indirectly and use unconventional thinking to find creative solutions. Emily starts by challenging the assumptions she's been making about marketing campaigns. Instead of focusing on the product itself, she considers the broader environmental impact and how to connect with consumers on an emotional level. Through lateral thinking, Emily comes up with the idea of creating an interactive campaign that allows consumers to see the positive impact of their purchase on the environment in real time. This innovative approach not only captures attention but also aligns with the brand's eco-friendly values. She tells herself, "I am open to exploring unconventional paths and thinking outside the box." Number 4, SCAMPER. Meet David, a product designer who's been tasked with improving an existing line of kitchen appliances. He's been struggling to come up with fresh ideas that can set his designs apart from the competition. That's when he learns about SCAMPER, a technique that prompts you to substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to other uses, eliminate, and reverse aspects of a problem. David starts by applying SCAMPER to one of the kitchen appliances. He considers substituting materials for eco-friendlier options, combining features from different appliances, adapting the design for different user groups, and modifying the shape or size for better ergonomics. Through this process, David comes up with a range of innovative ideas, including a modular appliance that can be customized based on individual needs and a voice-controlled system that simplifies the user experience. Whenever he faces a creative thinking challenge, he reminds himself, "I am open to exploring new possibilities by breaking down and reconstructing existing concepts." Number 5, 6 Thinking Hats. Meet Sophia, a project manager who's been tasked with leading a team to develop a new software solution. She's been struggling to get everyone on the same page and to consider the problem from multiple angles. That's when she learns about the 6 thinking hats technique, which encourages you to examine a problem from 6 different perspectives. White, objective facts; red, emotions and feelings; black, critical judgment; yellow, positive aspects; green, creativity and new ideas; and blue, control and organization. Sophia introduces this technique to her team, and they begin to approach the problem systematically. During the white hat phase, they gather and analyze relevant data. In the red hat phase, they explore the emotional impact of the software on users. The black hat phase allows them to identify potential risks and challenges, while the yellow hat phase focuses on the benefits and opportunities. Through the green hat phase, the team generates a wealth of creative ideas, and the blue hat phase helps them organize and prioritize their thoughts. Whenever she faces a creative thinking challenge, she tells herself, "I am open to considering multiple perspectives, which will lead to a well-rounded and innovative solution." By mastering these 5 proven techniques, mind mapping, reframing, lateral thinking, SCAMPER, and 6 thinking hats, you'll be equipped to approach any problem with a creative mindset. Remember, creative thinking is a skill that can be developed and nurtured through practice. Thumb up this video and subscribe to Self-Craft Mastery for more valuable content on crafting your route to excellence. Share your thoughts and experiences with creative problem solving in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.